Hello students, welcome to online audio video lessons, an initiative taken by Set Vidya Mandir English High School affiliated to CBSE. Myself Mrudula Kardevru, computer teacher for standard 2nd. So children, in the last session we had studied about pencil tool. Now let us study remaining tools of paint window. So today let us study about brushes tool. So children, whenever you open the paint window, you can see brushes here. So when you click on the down arrow which is present here, you find a list of brushes, various types of brushes, isn't it? So you have to select any of the brushes which you want. So when you select this, next you have to select the thickness of the brush, that is you have to click on the down arrow present in size and you will be displayed various sizes. So you have to select the thickness of the size, and then after selecting the thickness of brush you have to select the color. So here color 1 is used to choose the color, whereas color 2 is used to choose the background color. After selecting, what you have to do, you have to just draw any picture you need, any desired picture, whichever you like you can draw this. So this is how we are using brush tool. Next we have line tool. So children, in this line tool, first you have to select line. So children, here you can find the arrow mark. Sorry, it is wrongly shown here, arrow. Actually the line is highlighted here in yellow color. So this is a line tool. You have to select this. After selecting, what you have to do, you have to select the size of the line, that is if you want thin line, thick line, medium line. So when you click on the down arrow present in this one, you can select any size you want. So after selecting that, you have to select the color of the line which you like. So when you click on this, that is any color which you want you can select. After choosing the color, you have to select the outline and choose the line style. Which type of line do you want? That is no outline, solid color, crayon, marker, oil. So anything which you wish, you can select this and then draw any design or picture which you wish. Next you have saving a drawing. So children, if you want to save a drawing, what you have to do, first click on file menu and a drop down box appears. So in this you have to select save. When you click on this, you get the list of options. So in this you have to click on save. So children, when you click on save, a dialog box appears like this. So in this dialog box, what you have to do, you have to first select the drive or the folder which you want. So I have selected here, it is local disk D, and in that we have list of folders. So in this any one you can select and then give the file name. You can see here down file name and then click on save. Any file name, any name according to your convenience you can give and then click on save. So when you click on save, whatever drawing you have done, it gets saved in your computer. Next we have starting a new drawing. Now you have drawn a drawing and you have also saved it. Now if you want to start a new one, so again what you have to do, you have to click on file, that is down arrow, and list of options come, and then that you have to select new. So when you click on new, a new drawing page appears. By chance if you have not saved your earlier drawing, then this dialog box appears where it shows you, do you want to save changes to untitled? If you want to save it, then click on save, or if you just don't want it, then click on don't save, and then as per your choice you select it and then close. Automatically a new drawing sheet or a new drawing window opens in your computer. Next, how to open an existing drawing. Again go to file menu and then click on click on existing, that is open file. So children, when you click on open here, Again a dialog box appears, that is where you want to open the file, which file you want to open and where it is saved. You have to show it, isn't it? So here if you have selected from the pictures, if you want a picture which is there in your like this, so I have opened the pictures and here I have many pictures here. So select which you want to open. So as I have already saved in the name geometry figure, that is geofig, so I have selected this and then click on open. So when you click on open, the selected picture gets opened in your drawing window. Is it clear, children? So practice it at your home.